Okay guys, welcome once again to the channel. In my previous video I talked about copy trading, how to copy a trade, uh, how to select the lead trader, and some metrics that one must consider before copying a trade. So the last trade that I copied, and this is what is happening here. Let me show you how it's performing. As you can see, BNB, Tron, USDT Perpetua, Solana, USDT Perpetua, Repo, USDT Perpetua, and Ethereum. So these are the trade opened by the lead trader here, Chino. So you can see here BNB is 11%, Tron is giving me 33%, Solana is giving me 251%, Repo is giving me 84%, and the Ethereum is giving me 248%. Just that the margin that has been actually given here, the margins are very small. As you can see, my margin is 1.16 for Ethereum, and then the Repo 156. The margin here for Solana is 327, that is the highest, and Tron is 0.776, and for BNB is 1.74. That is the value, for my margins. Just that they are small, but as you can see, I put in $100 to copy the lead trader, and this is according to maybe the proportion, and also to lower the risk. But if you take it, you add all these margins here, it's about $8. So on my $100, only $8 is actually working now. Yes, I think gradually it will be increased. All the margins will be increased gradually as the risk is becoming low. So here we have $8 over the $100. $8 are only working here, and it's giving me $13 as unrealized profit. As you can see, yes, these are the trades. They are all performing well. And as the market is getting up with the bull run, things are warming up very well here, And this is the lead trader that I copied. Just look at the how its trades are performing. See, look at here, BNB 157% with a margin of 215 is 338. Tron 37%, the margin is small here, 29, so 10. Solana, look at this, 1,349%, giving him $3,372 with 249 margin. Guys, by the time this guy closes all these trades, it will be like 10,000 plus with few dollars, with barely $1,000. Yes, barely $1,000, and it's more than 10,000 as we speak here. Look at this, Ethereum 630% with 164 marginal. That's the amount in the contract, and it's giving him $1,004. So guys, this is the copy trade. So in this video, we just want to underline some metrics here, some very important metrics. In the previous one, I talk about the maximum drawdown, the winning rates, the return on investment, the assets under management, all those things that I talk about in the previous video. So if you have not watched that video, the link will be put here for you to watch that video. And to continue with the metrics, here we have if you look at this place, we have let me come to my trades. Yes, so my own trades are here. So how do we determine this percentage or the amount in the unrealized profit? So all starts with here. Just look at the amount in the margin amount here, 175 for BNB for example, 175, and then the perpetual contract, that the future trade has been opened with a cross 20 times. That is the leverage. Yeah, that's the leverage. Understand? So the leverage is 20 times, right? So how do we determine this percentage return on investment and then unrealized profit? It's simple. You just take the entry price and the market price. So for BNB here, you can see that my entry price is 231.76, and then the current price or the market price is 233.99. Okay, so first of all, we take the difference. We'll see the percentage, the variation, the amount of BNB from 231 to 233 to see the increase in percentage. So that increase in percentage between these two prices, that increase in percentage times 20, that's the leverage that will give you the return on investment. I want to take it again. So the difference between these two prices, the entry price and the current price, the difference, the amount of percentage is represented here. If you take that percentage multiplied by 20, you get the return on investment. So once you get the return on investment times the margin, the return on investment times the margin will give you the unrealized profit. So let's take our calculator and check this. So here we take the calculator. So let's look at the first one, the BNB. We have 233.86 and the 231.76, so giving us 17.38%, right? So 233.81, 231.76. So 233.81 over 231.76. Right here we have 0.8%, 0.08% here, right? Good. So minus 1, so that is the percentage we have. The increase, the difference between the two price give us, that means from 231 to 233 we have here 0.8%, 0.8%, right? Okay, 0.8%. Good. So if you take this one times 20, the leverage, so that, as you can see, that is 17.69%. That's what we just saw here. Okay, it has varied and then it has changed to 16% here, because from 233 to 74, so it has gone down small. But that is how you calculate, and then you know the return on investment. So the difference, the percentage in increase between the two prices times 20, you have the return on investment. So return on investment, that is ROI here, right? So that is for the return on investment, 17.69, right? So once you have the return on investment, the percentage, you multiply that by the margin, amount in the margin. So here we have 1.75, so multiply that by 1.75, so 17. So this one multiplied by 1.75 will give you the unrealized profit, that is 0.309. as you can see it here, 0.309. 30, right? That's how you know what is going on, or the profit you are making, or if there is any loss. That's how you calculate. So the variation in the prices determines everything here: the return on investment, the unrealized profit. That's it. So guys, that's how you determine the return on investment and the unrealized profit. So still in the copying here, we have some tabs at the tops here, which I will not talk about yet. In the previous video, I talked about position history and all that. So transfer, after you close the trade, you can transfer. That's the yellow. And then settings, when you copy the trade, when we were copying the trade, there were some settings that we made, like fees ratio. That's what we copied. Then fee ratio, and then if there's anything to adjust in advance, you do, right? So you can just make some adjustments here if you like, and then I'll stop the trade. That is stop copying. So you can stop the trade here. So if I confirm, then it's closed, but I'm not closing anything now, right? So that's it, guys, for the metrics here, when you are making profits, the return on investment, the real profit, the unrealized profit, how they are calculated. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Keep safe.